For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Hi everyone, it's Emma here. In this video, we're going to focus on improving our English listening and speaking skills. Of course, let's delve deeper into each part of your daily routine. Morning, 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. 6:30 a.m. Wake up. Aim to wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body clock. 6:35 a.m. Drink a glass of water. Hydrating your body first thing in the morning kick-starts your metabolism and helps rehydrate after a night's sleep. 6:40 a.m. Morning exercise. Choose an activity that you enjoy and that gets your body moving. This could be yoga for flexibility and relaxation, jogging for cardiovascular health, or a workout routine tailored to your fitness goals. 7:15 a.m. Shower and get ready for the day. Take a refreshing shower to wake up fully and prepare yourself mentally for the day ahead. 7:45 a.m. Breakfast. Ensure your breakfast includes a balance of proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Examples include oatmeal with nuts and fruit, avocado toast with eggs, or a smoothie with protein powder, fruits, and leafy greens. 8:15 a.m. Review your goals and plan for the day. Take a few moments to reflect on your long-term goals and set intentions for the day. This could involve journaling, meditation, or simply visualizing your day ahead. 8:30 a.m. Commute to work or start your work-from-home routine. If you commute to work, plan your route and give yourself enough time to arrive punctually. If you work from home, establish a dedicated workspace free from distractions to maximize productivity. Midday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. 9 a.m. Start work. Begin your workday with a clear focus on your priorities and tasks. Check your calendar and to-do list to stay organized. 10:30 a.m. Take a short break, stretch, and have a healthy snack. Stand up, stretch your body, and take a short walk to combat sedentary behavior. Have a nutritious snack such as a piece of fruit, nuts, or yogurt to refuel your energy levels. 12 p.m. Lunch break. Enjoy a balanced and nutritious meal to replenish your energy stores. Include lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and focused for the afternoon. 1 p.m. Resume work. Return to your work tasks with renewed focus and productivity. Afternoon, 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Focus on work tasks, meetings, and projects. Use this time to tackle important tasks, attend meetings, and collaborate with colleagues as needed. 3 p.m. Take a short walk or do some stretching. Combat afternoon fatigue by getting up from your desk, stretching your muscles, and taking a brief walk to boost circulation and mental clarity. 3:30 p.m. Resume work. Return to your work tasks with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. 5 p.m. Wrap up work tasks and plan for the next day. Review your progress for the day, tie up loose ends, and prioritize tasks for the following day to ensure a smooth transition. 5:30 p.m. Engage in a hobby or leisure activity. Dedicate some time to activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading, gardening, cooking, or practicing a musical instrument. Evening, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. 6 p.m. Dinner. Enjoy a light and balanced meal with your family or loved ones. Focus on whole foods and limit processed foods and sugary snacks. 7 p.m. Spend time with family or friends, or engage in personal activities. Connect with your loved ones by sharing stories, playing games, or engaging in meaningful conversations. Alternatively, engage in personal activities that bring you fulfillment and happiness. 8 p.m. Relaxation time. Dedicate time to unwind and de-stress before bed. This could involve reading a book, watching a movie, listening to music, or practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. 9 p.m. Wind down for bed. Start preparing your body and mind for sleep by dimming the lights, avoiding stimulating activities, and practicing a bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to rest. 10 p.m. Lights out. Aim to go to bed at a consistent time each night to ensure you get adequate rest for optimal health and well-being. Feel free to adjust any part of this routine to better suit your preferences and lifestyle. Consistency and balance are key to a successful daily routine. Let me know if you need further assistance or if there are specific aspects you'd like to focus on.